what it is. Oh, what's up? What's up, what's up, what's up, guys? And welcome back to my channel. I hope that you guys are having a great day. If you don't know me, my name is Terry, and I would love to have you as a part of my crew. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you are aware every time I upload a new video. So today we are going to be doing a colorful Valentine's Day look. I am so excited about this look. I can't wait for you guys to see how I achieved it. I hope you guys really love this video. So let's get started. Hey! Okay, the first thing we're going to do is take this hyaluronic acid serum and place a few drops onto the face, and then we're going to gently massage it in. Now going in with this e.l.f. Shadow Lock Primer, we're going to place it right on the top of our eyelids, and then we're going to blend it out with our fingers. Now going in with this box of crayons palette by the Crayon Case, we're going to take this shade Yellow and place it right over the top of our crease, not directly in it, with this small blending brush. Next, going in with this green shade, we're going to place it right into the crease and blend it out. Going in with this shade Blue, we're going to place it right over the top of the green and blend it out over the top of our lid. Now going in with this LA Pro Girl Concealer in the color Porcelain, we are going to do a blown out cut crease. Now I'm going to take this smaller concealer brush and carefully clean up the cut crease. Now going into this shade Red, we're going to pack it on the outer third corner of our lid using an eyeshadow brush. Remember, you do want to use a new eyeshadow brush for each color that we use to avoid color transfer. Now going in with this shade Yellow, we're going to place it over the middle portion of our lid, a little bit over the red. Okay, for the inner portion of our lid, we are going to take this green and pack it on. Now I'm going to take this small MUA blending brush and I'm going to blend out those colors. Now going in with this e.l.f. Stardust Glitter Eyeliner in the color Silver, we are going to outline our cut crease. Going in with this Maybelline Master Precise Eyeliner in the color Black, we are going to do a cute wing liner. What time is it? Lash time. Hey, and we're using these Ardell Wispies. I'm going to apply them off camera. Now it's time to clean up our wing liner with this LA Pro Girl Concealer in the color Pure Beige and a small angle brush. Prep time. As we get ready to apply our foundation, we're going to spray on the MAC Prep and Prime spray and be sure that it is dry before you start applying. Now we're taking this Maybelline Fit Me in the color 330 and we're going to apply it all over our face and then blend it out with a dampened sponge. Highlight time with the Pure Beige LA Pro Girl Concealer. We're going to highlight underneath our eyes, the bridge of our nose, our cupid's bow, right underneath our bottom lip, and the top of our forehead. Now going in with a Wet n Wild contour stick in the color Where's Walnut, we are going to contour our cheekbones, the bridge of our nose, and around the outer edge of our face, and then we're going to blend it out with a flat face brush using the tap and sweep method. Now taking this City Color Contour Effects 2 palette, we're going to take the contour and bronzing powder and place it right over our contour to set it. And then we're going to highlight our contour using the LA Pro Girl in Pure Beige and blend it out. Okay, now we're going to take this NK Makeup Perfection Setting Powder in the color Banana, and we're going to place it everywhere that we place highlight. Then we're going to allow it to bake for 5 minutes. But in the meantime, we're going to take this Wet n Wild eye pencil in the color White and place it right onto our waterline. Now tapping back into this color Red, we're going to place it right underneath our eye. And then now that we're all baked up, we're going to take this face brush and we're going to sweep away the banana powder. Time to glow up, honey. Now we're going to take this Anglowla highlighting powder and this highlighting brush, and we're going to place it right over the top of our contour, the bridge of our nose, our brow bone, our cupid's bow, and the inner corners of our eyes. Okay, now we're going to take this dark brown lip pencil and we're going to outline our lips, and then we're going to smudge it out with our fingers. And then we're going to take this NYX Lingerie lip cream in the color Seattle, and we're going to place it right over the top of our lips. Now to get a more glossy look, we're going to apply this Almay pink lip gloss. Okay, now for the final step, we're going to spray on this Mario Badescu rosewater spray so that we can set our makeup, and then we are officially done. Okay guys, that's it for this bold Valentine's Day look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed shooting it. Please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys next time. Love you. Bye.